Hello, 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 my lovely, beautiful people. It's your girl Keona Trine, aka KT, and we are back with another bomb tutorial. This tutorial has a different setup, better lighting. I'm trying to give you guys better quality, so yeah, let's get right into it. So, this hair is going to be sponsored by WorldNewHair. This is my first time actually hearing about this company. One thing I can say about this hair though that I did not like, it had a smell to it. Like it had like a fishy smell. But that's not the first time that I've had a wig that, had a smell like that from like AliExpress, like companies that's shipping from China. I don't know like why. But that's the only thing, y'all. I couldn't bleach it. I couldn't really do my install how I wanted to, which is totally fine. I know how to finesse a wig, you know what I'm saying? But, I didn't want to mess it up. Literally 3 hours after this, I had to be to work. So, I had to make it do what it do for the time being. But the wig turned out amazing. I got a lot of compliments on this wig at work. And, yeah, so I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you guys see every process. And yeah, I want to just come back later on in the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
Okay, so right here I'm spraying some lace tint on my lace because the lace was obviously too light for me. And after a while, y'all, I got so aggravated, like, because I didn't have time to pluck either. I couldn't, like, this wig came straight out the pack. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, not straight out the pack, but straight out the bag. And I was like, dang, I can't do nothing. Can't customize nothing. But everything turned out, you know, it looked decent. But I'm going to, like, my baby hairs are going to take a, it took so long, y'all. It took so long. So I had to cut, like, this video was an hour long, literally. So I had to cut out some parts. So if it seemed like it's skipping some details, I'm sorry. I'll give y'all a better video next time. But, you know, I didn't want this video to be too long.
Think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, you wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Alright, so right here I'm just putting some eyeshadow on my lace. Then I'm going to go back and spray everywhere that I put the makeup at with some Got To Be Glued setting spray or whatever it's called. Holding spray, I meant. And yeah, just to blend in the lace a little bit more. It's going to look better at the end, y'all. I promise. Don't get on me. Don't come for me. I'm trying, y'all. I only had like 2 hours. And to do my makeup too. But yeah, this is the last time I'm going to rush a video. Honestly, this is the last time, because I was like, I'm not upset how it came out, because it came out like it still looked good, but still, I still wanted it to look better than this. But hey, this is how you finesse a wig. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My makeup came out really bomb. I love the contacts that I have in now. The contacts will be in the link description box below. I will be making a separate video on these contacts though. And as you can tell, my camera kept falling. But anyway, overall, this is a beautiful wig. It's so soft, y'all. This hair is so soft. And it was not shedding at all. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Share, subscribe if you're new. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Love y'all.